Chapter 1, Topic 1.2. Atomic number. Number of protons found in the nucleus of an atom from any particular element. Atomic number is also called the proton number. Number of protons equal to number of electrons. Importance of the atomic number. It identifies the element. Second, the periodic table is arranged in the order of increasing atomic number. Third, it determines an element's properties because it is the number of electrons in a neutral atom. Mass number. Total number of protons plus neutrons in the atom. You can also call it as nucleon. Atomic symbol. Chemical symbols or atomic symbols are the abbreviations used in chemistry for chemical elements, functional groups, and chemical compounds. Element. It is formed from the combination of atoms only, a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. Same elements with same number of protons also occur in a molecular form in which the same type of elements atoms chemically combine. They are called diatomic molecules or sometimes molecular elements. This is the example of elements. Molecule. An aggregate of at least two atoms in a definite arrangement held together by chemical forces. A given molecule has a composition which means the ratio of different atoms is always the same. Identical molecules also display the same chemical properties. Isotopes. Atoms with identical atomic numbers but different mass numbers. Most elements have two or more isotopes. The definition of isotopes is isotopes have different numbers of neutrons but same numbers of protons. Isotopes have similar chemistries forming same type of compound and displaying similar reactivities. Compounds is a substance composed of atoms of two or more elements chemically united in fixed proportions. Compounds can only be separated into their pure components elements by chemical means. Compound is also a substance made from two or more different elements that have been chemically joined. Ions is an atom or group of atoms, and in any given atom, the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. Neutral atoms can lose or gain electrons and become charged. The charged atoms are known as ions. There are two types of ions. The first is cation. Cation is ion with positive charge. If a neutral atom loses one or more electron, it becomes a cation. Meanwhile, anion is ion with a negative charge. If a neutral atom gains one or more electrons, it becomes an anion.
Now, let's do some recap. We start with atomic number. Atomic number is where number of protons equal to number of electrons. For example, magnesium. The atomic number for magnesium is 12, which means magnesium has 12 protons. When you want to draw shell, make sure you draw the electron with the same amount of proton from any atom that you want to draw the shell. Next is mass number. The definition of mass number is total number of protons plus neutrons in the atoms. For example, the mass number for Mg for magnesium is 24, which is also known as nucleon. Elements. It is formed from the combination of an atoms only. For example, we have oxygen, aluminium, sodium, and hydrogen. Isotopes is identical atomic numbers but different mass number. For example, the mass number is different, but the atomic number is the same. That's what we call isotopes. Molecules are formed from chemical combinations of atoms. Ions have two charges. They have positive charge and negative charge. For positive charge, they call cation, meanwhile for negative charge, they call anion. For cation, natural atom loses one or more electrons, it becomes a cation. Meanwhile for anion, if natural atom gains one or more electrons, it becomes an ion. A compound is a material composed of two or more components. For example, sodium chloride.